Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Robinhood for account security and 2FA step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the official Robinhood website or opening the Robinhood app on your device. Click on the Get Started button to initiate the registration process. Enter your email address and create a secure password for your account. Make sure your password is strong by using a combination of letters, numbers, and symbols. After entering your email and password, click Sign Up. Next, you will be prompted to provide personal information. Enter your legal name, date of birth, and social security number. This information is required to verify your identity. Once you have entered your details, click Continue. You will be asked for your address. Fill in your residential address accurately and click Continue. Now, you will need to answer some financial questions. These questions help Robinhood understand your investing experience. Be honest and thorough in your responses. After completing the financial questionnaire, click Continue. You will then need to agree to various terms and conditions. Read through the agreements carefully before accepting. Once agreed, proceed to the next step by clicking Continue. Now, you will need to set up Two-Factor Authentication, or 2FA. This adds an extra layer of security to your account. To enable 2FA, click on Security in your account settings. Select the option to enable Two-Factor Authentication. You can choose to receive your codes via SMS or an authenticator app. If you select SMS, enter your phone number and click Send Code. Check your phone for the code, then enter it in the app or website. If you opt for an authenticator app, scan the QR code displayed on the screen. Enter the code generated by the authenticator app to complete the setup. Once 2FA is enabled, review your security settings to ensure everything is in order. You are now ready to start using your Robinhood account with enhanced security. Always remember to log out from devices you don't frequently use. Keep your login information and phone secure to maintain account safety. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.